Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 7, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. Fourth row, third row, VU3. So 3 can't come. These cells, then 3 can come here. Column E, column G, VU3. So 3 can't come. These cells, then 3 can come here. 10th row, then 8th row, VU3. Column I also VU3. So 3 can't come. These cells, then 3 can come here. Column I, VU9. So 9 can't come. These cells, 9 will come in one of these cells, will confirm later. Then column C, 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 9, 5, 7. 8th row, VU2, 5 and 9. The 3 numbers can't come these cells, it will come in another 3 cells, will confirm later. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column D, column C, we have pair numbers 1, 7, 3. So 1, 7, 3 can't come these cells, it will come in another 3 cells, will confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Column G also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 will come in one of these cells, will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 8 will come in one of these cells, will confirm later. Then 9th row, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column I, 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 4. Column I also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column H, column I, we have 4. 5th row and 6th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 10th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row and 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, the 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column C, value of 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. It will come here one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Second grid already 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then no one is here. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9, it will come in another these cells, we will confirm later. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, column J, we give 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then no one is here. Column H, column J, we give 2, 7th row also we give 2, so 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, column J, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 9th grade, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9, it will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 3, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, and then 8 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6, 7th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then second grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 5th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, and then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 5th row, we have 1 and 7, so 1 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have here 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, and then 1 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 5 and 6, so 5 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then in column D, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 3 and 5, so 3 and 5 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.